Fast charge. WOTOBEUS 120W car charger features one 2.4A 18W USB-A port, one PD100W USB-C1 port and one PD30W USB-C2 port to provide high speed. The Smart IC USB port supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, QC 3.0, QC 2.0 protocol. The dual USB-C ports support Power Delivery 3.0, PD 3.0 protocol, Superfast Charging 2.0 and Programmable Power Supply-PPS, QC 4.0. The 5A 100W C1 port also supports QC 5.0. LED indicator. The USB-C1 port controls LED color with adaptive voltage. 3 volts to 5 volts output turns white light for Kindle, headset, smartwatch, etc. 6 volts to 9 volts output turns green light for iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel and more mobile phones. 10 volts to 16 volts output turns blue light for iPad Pro and Nintendo Switch. 17 volts to 20 volts output turns red light for MacBook Pro, Air, Dell, HP, Leveno, ASUS, Acer, Surface, Razer Blade, Thunderbolt and other notebooks. Universal compatibility. 120W fast charge car charger is compatible for devices with various ports such as cell phones, PC, headphones, for AirPods Pro, e-book, game consoles, speakers, tablets, MP3 and other equipment. Moreover, it works well with different kinds of cables like USB cords, micro USB cords and Apple charger cords. Car phone charger. 120-watt super-fast car charger provides PD20W, 30W, 40W and PPS 45W, 35W, 25W for Apple phones, Samsung Galaxy Note, Z, S, A, J, W Series, Google Pixel, Nexus, Sony, LG, HTC, Nokia, Motorola, Android and more. Car laptop charger. WOTOBEUS USB-C PD car charger provides PD65W 60W for Razer Blade, for Thunderbolt, for Acer, Dell XPS, HP Spectre, Pavilion, Envy, Omen, Lenovo ThinkPad, Yoga, Carbon, ASUS Zen, Zephyrus, Deluxe, Microsoft Surface Go, Pro and more. Multiple ports. This USB Type-C car charger can charge triple electronics devices rapidly at the same time due to the multi-port design. The compact size form factor plugs in cigarette lighter position perfectly for 99% car models, DC power 12 volts to 24 volts. Durable reliable. This USB-C car charger features safety protective chips to protect against overcharging, overcurrent and high temperature problem without shortening lifetime. Besides, the PC, V0, fire retardant plastic material prevent against melting and burning. Assurance. WOTOBEUS Direct provides professional after-sales support 12-month quality assurance coming with this 3-ports 120W car charger. Welcome to contact us anytime when you need and share your feelings on our page. Top reviews from the United States. Charges my MacBook Pro just fine. Great device for keeping my MacBook charged when moving around so I can work from anywhere. Mine is a 2019 series Intel system.